So today I'm installing this keyed or keyless entry door latch. It comes with this part for the inside where you can flip it manually, and or it takes 4 AA batteries, and you can use, came with 2 wireless remotes like this where you can lock and unlock the door with a keychain remote, or you can use a key on the outside or a latch on the inside. I wasn't going to put the key part on the outside. Patrick installed the same unit on his bus. He didn't put the key on the outside, but if the battery's down, I'm going to be locked out of my bus, so I didn't want to have that happen. The deadbolt just comes through here. I just drilled a straight hole in there. I got to square it up a little bit better, but it is in the correct spot now. It secures the door. On the inside, I had to lengthen this part just a little bit. And then I need to get longer bolts for the mount to hold everything in place. It'll secure this part here, so I'm just finishing it up here. I just gotta go grab a couple bolts from the hardware store. So I don't think I defaced the bus too much with just that little bit of a key lock on there. I left off, that big round, it's supposed to stand out like an inch or whatever. I got rid of that, and by the time that gets pulled in tight, it should look real good. I think it matches nice. And I used to have a deadbolt. I had the door closed. I was running a deadbolt. That's how it came when I got the bus. Or not a deadbolt, but a padlock. It didn't look very good. So this will look real nice. And have the keyless remote option, and or have a hide a key or something. And I'll provide a link to it. This unit was $40 on Amazon. I think that's very affordable for what it is. Comes with 2 keys, 2 keychains. Should work out real nice for me.